Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Good day, everyone. Uh, this is another episode of the series of TBYP or Tips to Boost Your Knowledge in Pharmacology. And I'm here with you again, Dr. Marwan. We have spoken earlier about the intelligent design of the blood brain barrier and how it is designed to protect the brain from the harmful effects of drugs and chemicals that can be circulating in the blood, including the effect of P-glycoprotein. And just to remind you, this is a practical simulation of the effect of P-glycoprotein as an active transporter that protects the body, especially the vital organs, from some harmful substances, including drugs, by transporting these substances out of the body or the sensitive organs. So the first example here we have is as the GI tract, and the GI tract is the site of absorption of many drugs and chemicals. So if we keep the P-glycoprotein active, which is a normal situation, physiological situation, so whatever has been absorbed from chemicals, if they when they tend to diffuse outside the epithelial membrane of the wall of the GI tract for absorption into the blood, the P-glycoprotein will force to return back to the lumen. However, if the P-glycoprotein was inhibited for any reason, then we can notice that whatever has been ingested from the drugs or chemicals, they will be absorbed by the epithelial cells of the small intestine without any efflux action by the P-glycoprotein to return it back to the lumen for excretion. So this is the first example for the action of P-glycoprotein. The second example is for the brain, and we know that the brain is one of the sensitive vital organs to drugs and chemicals, protected by the blood-brain barrier from many drugs and many chemicals, including the effect of the P-glycoprotein. So here, the effect of the P-glycoprotein is to keep or to re-efflux whatever has been diffused from drugs or chemicals that can be lipophilic. So any lipophilic drug that can diffuse because of high lipophilicity, it will be effluxed back by the effect of the P-glycoprotein as a protective mechanism of the intelligent design of the blood-brain barrier. While if the P-glycoprotein has been inhibited for any reason, then you can see that the brain will be vulnerable and will be readily susceptible to receiving those drugs, those harmful drugs and chemicals, without being effluxed because the P-glycoprotein has been inactivated or inhibited. The third important organ, vital organ, is the kidney. And in the presence of the P-glycoprotein, whatever gets inside the kidney for filtration, it goes out because the P-glycoprotein will efflux, will keep the drugs inside the lumen of the renal tubules for renal excretion. And that's why whatever has been filtered through the kidneys, then it will not be reabsorbed from those, or the reabsorption will be decreased by the effect of the active P-glycoprotein. However, if the P-glycoprotein has been inhibited for any reason, then we can notice that whatever has entered into the kidneys, it will be reabsorbed and be kept back into the blood. So with that, we are done with this complementary TBYP. See you again with another tips, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.